Okay, in this video, we're going to cover another set of chords. In this case, we're going to do the C, G, A, and F chords. So let's start out with that C chord. So C chord starts on that second string, and that's going to be the 3rd fret. Pop your ring finger down there. Next is the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, middle finger there. Then we have open, and on the 5th string, 1st fret, use the index finger, and then open again on the last string. And remember to position your hand and your thumb so it's comfortable to pop these knuckles off vertically from the fretboard, such that you don't overlay any of your fingers on the adjacent chord to muffle that sound. And that'll take time and practice, but once you get it, you can easily get that full sound out. So once you're in that formation, let's check each string one by one. And if you have any muffling sound, readjust your hand such that you can get into a better position. The next one's going to be a G. So that's 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. So middle finger, 3rd fret, 1st string, index finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string, open, open, and ping and pinky and ring on the bottom two strings, 3rd fret. Okay, from there, let's move to the A minor chord here. And if you need practice in any individual chord, just feel free to stop the video, pause the video, and practice that, and then continue along. Anyway, here's the A minor chord. It's going to be closed on the top, so we don't play the top string. Open, 2, 2, 1, open. So on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 1st fret of the 5th string, index finger, and then open. And so this formation is very similar to that C with the index on that 1st fret of that 5th. And we can play individually or together. And once again, try not to lay your fingers flat on the fretboard, but have them pop off. Okay, the next one is going to be an F, and that's a bar chord. So lay your index finger on fret 1, and then on strings 2 and 3, you're going to want to use a ring and your pinky to use 3rd fret. So on strings 2 and 3, 3rd fret, and then on the 4th string, 2nd fret, middle finger. And then you play the last 2 strings, also 1st fret being held by that bar chord. And now the 2 ways to really put this down is like I showed, put the bar, then the ring and the pinky, then that middle. Or you can do ring and pinky first, get those 2 down, put that middle down, and then lastly drop the bar. When you're starting off, whatever is more comfortable for you. But eventually, you're just going to hammer that all down at once. Okay, so that's it for level 0. Level 1, now we're going to add some strumming pattern to these same exact chords. So here we have just down strums. So every chord is going to be a down strum, and use the back of your fingers here, the back of the nail of the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1. Okay, one more time. So feel free to stick with each lesson as long as you have to, until you can get it nice and smoothly down, and on the right rhythm too, because a lot of the difficulties early on is being able to switch from one chord, left hand chord position to another really quickly. So in the first lesson, we had a whole note followed by at the end, and this one we have a half note followed by end. So it's getting shorter between each one of those transitions. And once again on level 2 now, it's going to be even shorter. Now we're at a quarter note for the transition. Also, we're going to be doing upstrokes as well as downstrokes. So the downstrokes, like I said, have your nails on these bottom 3 fingers. Strum those. Now if you're going up, just use the back of your thumb. So in this pattern, it's going to be down, down, up, down. So the C, we follow that by the G, A minor, and F. And we'll go through here once at a regular pace with the rhythm. And now we're going to separate from strumming and do some single plucking. So for this video, feel free to use your thumb for the top 3 strings here. And then these 3 fingers, index for the 4th, middle for the 5th, and ring for the bottom. So in level 3, we start off with a C individually. We're going to play it like this. You'll see that I'm going to be playing a lot of the times this 4th string with the index. That's just a habit of mine. Everybody will develop that over time, but if you find the thumb very comfortable right now, you're not going to lose much by relying on the thumb for that 4th string right now. And we got the G after that. A. And F. Let's go through that again. Here, I'll play it once all the way through so that we know what it sounds like fully. And we'll go once again through it slowly. C. Pause here for a second, just to note that when I switch this C to a G, in this particular case, I don't clamp my ring and pinky down immediately, because I know on the tab I don't need that 3 till the end. So I switch. And it's really not until then that I clamp it down. And then we're already onto the A. In the next lesson, we're going to add a melody to this and kind of change around the hand formation within each bar. So look forward to that.